going on a quick test drive here. We have 5,547 miles on the odometer. Still smells brand new in here. Really, really nice. Probably don't need to go far with this low of miles, but we're gonna do a quick road test just so you can see the car drive straight. Now if you see any flickering here on the screens, that's just in camera, that is not in person. That thing shifts so fast. Really, really cool. Car drives straight, shifts perfect. Like I said, 5,000 miles on it. It's pretty much brand new. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now before we get started, there is a little ding on the quarter panel here, and that is going to get PDR'd out. It's very small, so don't worry about that. Here on this front right wheel, looks really good. I'm not seeing any imperfections that stand out. Looking at the fender, that looks good. Side mirror, nice and clean. A-pillar looks awesome. That door edge feels good. That's all nice and clean. Just have the sticker on the wheel here. I don't see any curb rash there. No window tint. Looking across the hood. Looks good. You got one little rock chip there. Upper section looks nice. I don't see any other flaws. Got a few more little rock chips there. Plastic looks good, tiny little chip there. One here and a couple more. Being that just basic pretty white, those are easy to touch up, especially being a new car like this. Paint hasn't faded or anything. Now if it was a pearl white, it makes it a little bit tougher. That looks good. Wheel looks amazing. Got the sticker on it still. That looks good, nice and clean. Here on the deck lid, that looks perfect. Those taillights look crazy, super cool. All right, checking out the interior. Smells brand new in here. Got the cloth seats, they look really good. Got the double screen, you can see the animation going on. That is really cool. I don't see any flaws on that door panel. Power windows, locks, all that good stuff. That pattern is super cool, kind of like a carbon look. Got the floor mats, look good. Trim, nice and clean. That bolster looks awesome. You do have a little bit of wear on that very edge. Otherwise, that seat looks perfect. Leather wrapped, looks good. You have that kind of carbon look around the trim. Automatic headlights. Like I said, the double screen. Looks good. Push button start, auto start stop, all the good stuff. This is really, really clean in here. Looking back here, of course, you still have the new car smell. Looks really good. Here on that door panel, I don't see any flaws. Looks amazing. Love that little pattern there, super cool. Carpet floor mats look good. I don't see any flaws on the seat here. Looks brand new. That side of the console's perfect. All of that looks really, really nice. Looking back here, all of that looks perfect. And scanning through the engine bay, nice and clean, looks brand new.